In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 ways that you can sell digital products without a website. And if you stay until the end of this video, I'll show you why using these websites is a bad idea. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, if you want to learn step-by-step how to create and sell your first digital product, click the first link in the description or go to 10daybusinessblueprint.com. Hello, I'm Alston with AlstonGodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. All right, as I mentioned in this video, I'm going to reveal 5 different ways that you can create and sell digital products without having a website. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you why that's a bad idea. So the first and probably the most common is with Etsy. Now, Etsy can be a good opportunity if you're just getting started. As you can see here on my screen, you can create and sell just about anything on Etsy, and you can price it whatever you want. But one of the drawbacks with Etsy is they're going to take a cut, and it's pretty competitive. But Etsy can be a very good opportunity. The other cool thing with Etsy is they're telling you what's important. If you look at the top of the webpage here, you can see that printable graduation's popular, graduation quotes, positive SVGs. You could create and sell these types of products and make money back relatively quickly. Now, the cool thing with Etsy is it's really easy. You just create a store, and then you can create individual products within the store. And when you scroll about halfway down in creating a product, it'll ask you if it's a digital product. You click yes, you simply just upload the file, and when people buy, they get it automatically. You don't have to do anything else. You can just walk away, and it's very, very easy. So the first one is with Etsy. The second one is actually with Redbubble, and Redbubble is very similar to Etsy, where it's a storefront where you create your own storefront within the storefront, and then you can create digital products to sell. Very easy, very simple. You can get up and running with a Redbubble account within a few hours, probably 30 minutes if you're focused on it, but it's really easy, very simple, doesn't take a lot of effort. And just like Etsy, you can allow your customers to instantly download their digital products. So Etsy's number one. Second is Redbubble. The third is actually with eBay. Now, eBay is another very good opportunity to sell your digital products. In fact, I've sold ebooks through eBay. eBay can be kind of finicky when it comes to selling digital things, but it can be done. You just have to follow, and there's a couple trigger points that you have to make sure that you are aware of. If you hit those trigger points, they're not going to let you upload and sell the digital product. One of the drawbacks of eBay is it's pretty saturated. There's a lot of people on the market trying to sell something similar. It's going to be like Etsy and Redbubble, where it's almost a race to the bottom. You're going to have to charge lower and lower and lower just to be competitive, but you can sell digital products on eBay. Another good opportunity is actually with Gumroad. So what you would do is you'd create your digital product, and then you would sell it through Gumroad. Gumroad would take care of all of the payment processing, and your customers can get it instantly. As you can see, Gumroad is very popular, and it has made a lot of money for a lot of people, but Gumroad can be done. You just create an account. You can start for free, but eventually you will have to pay some money, but it's really easy. You can type in like ebook, for example, and get up and running that way. There are tons of ebooks on this platform where you can buy it. This is actually done with Canva. You can tell here, and you can actually name your price. Some of these books are $9 or 99 cents. This book right here is $149, and it actually looks like it's a bundle. But creating your product and then listing it over on Gumroad is very easy. All right, so we have Etsy, Redbubble, eBay, Gumroad, and then our fifth one is Sellfy. Now, again, very much like Etsy and Redbubble, they're going to have a marketplace where you can sell your stuff. It's very easy, very simple to get into. We can take a look at the pricing. It starts at $29 a month, and then it goes up to $129. You get a ton of features, but there's a lot of opportunity here. If we click on features here, you can see there's a lot of stuff that you can do when you create and sell your digital products. They take care of the payment. You can integrate it with a ton of stuff. There's a lot of options. This can be a good opportunity. So we've got Etsy, we've got Redbubble, we've got eBay, we've got Gumroad, and then we have Sellfy. Now, I think that using these methods is a bad idea. There are a few reasons why I think selling on a website like Etsy is a really bad idea. Number one, it's a race to the bottom. I've mentioned this a few times before. You put in a lot of energy and effort and time, and somebody comes behind you and sells the exact same thing for $1.99. or $4.43. So now you've got to readjust your pricing and hope that you can get found. It's a search engine, so you've got to know keyword optimization and search engine optimization. You've got to know those things. Also, you don't get access to your customers' information. One of the biggest problems that I have with these sites is you don't know anything about your customer. And the reason why you want to know your customer, you want to have your customer's information like name and email address, is so that you can follow up with them with additional products. Let's say they're interested in this digital planner for $1.99. You sell them the digital planner, but now, more importantly, you have their name and their email address so that you can sell them additional products. If we know they're interested in organization and planning their life, maybe we can sell them a $500 course on planning and organization. Maybe we can sell them a physical planner or, some of the accessories, a special pen. Maybe we can bundle it with an iPad or an e-reader, but selling products with Etsy doesn't let us have that opportunity. What I recommend that you do yourself, and this is a little bit cheating, people are going to say this isn't a website. This is a sales funnel, but a sales funnel is a website. What I recommend that you do, and this is my website, 10daybusinessblueprint.com, I've created this so that I can sell directly to people. Another issue with Etsy is Etsy takes a cut of whatever it is that you make. So again, if you're selling this for $4.43, you're not walking away with $4.43. You might be walking away with $3.99, for example. Why not sell it yourself? And the only fees that you have to worry about are your payment processing through Stripe. And then you still get your customer's email address. Right now, I have a database of people that I know that are interested in digital products. Now I can potentially sell them other things. I can sell them coaching. I can sell them a course. I can sell them maybe someone else's course with affiliate marketing. I can sell them more digital products. And this is how you go from just being a seller, being a commodity where you're kind of like a good that's being traded, into an actual business owner. And that's the goal of everyone, is to eventually own your own business. And this is the way to do it. Not using a website like Etsy because they're stealing money from you. You're selling this stuff for $1.99. It's worth more than $1.99. Sure, if you sell 1,000 of them, you'll break even on whatever the time or money that you paid for it. But you are losing out on a ton of money on the back end. For example, on this 10-day business blueprint, I have this book for $5. And then there are other upsells that I include that are going to add additional value. For example, an audiobook, so people can listen to this book on their way to work. And then I've got done for you a sales funnel. So the only thing they need to do is import the sales funnel into their account, and then they can get up and running faster. You can then sell this. You can take this directly to Facebook ads or YouTube ads, or even add this to your YouTube channel, and then you can make even more money instead of making other people rich, like the owner and CEO and board members of Etsy. So what I recommend that you do is, and people are going to say this isn't a website. Technically it is, but we don't want to get into semantics. But instead of focusing on doing Etsy or Redbubble or Gumroad or eBay, take a day, take a weekend, create your own website. And this is using ClickFunnels. You don't have to use ClickFunnels. I like ClickFunnels. You can use Kartra, Kajabi. There's a ton of web page builders out there that you can even use a WordPress website. But I urge you to do this because at the end of the day, you're going to make more money. You're going to make more money on the front end and on the back end. When you sell this directly to consumers with Facebook ads, you can break even or make money on the front end, and then you can sell them affiliate products on the back end. Or you can ask your customers, hey, what else do you need? They tell you what they need, you create it, and then you can sell it to them. There is much more opportunity to use something like this. This is called a web page builder or a website, than using Etsy. Etsy is stealing from you if you use Etsy. Now that you know 5 different ways to sell your products without a website, click the first link in the description or go to 10daybusinessblueprint.com so that you can learn step-by-step how to create and launch your first digital product in 10 days. It's the exact process that I use to create and sell my first digital products, and I know that it can help you. So click the first link in the description or go to 10daybusinessblueprint.com. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online with affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.